Let's use another method for tracing this Fibonacci recursion. Int value equals Fibonacci 5. We know that 5 is not less than 1, and so we're going to call Fibonacci of n-1 plus Fibonacci of n-2. The computer is going to concentrate on Fibonacci of n-1 first. And so we can do this with a tree, and we would call Fibonacci of 4. When we look at Fibonacci of 4, we're going to call Fibonacci of 4 minus 1, which is Fibonacci of 3. Fibonacci of 3 we'll call Fibonacci 2 as its first step. Fibonacci 2 we'll call Fibonacci 1. Once we get to Fibonacci 1, 1 is less than or equal to 1, and so 1 will get returned. So we have completed that first part of Fibonacci 2. Now call Fibonacci of 0. Fibonacci of 0 is 0. And so now we know Fibonacci 2 is got the value 1. Moving back up the tree, Fibonacci 3 would have called Fibonacci 2 plus Fibonacci of 1. So now we concentrate on what Fibonacci 1 does. Fibonacci 1 is the base case and it returns a 1. And so Fibonacci 3 gets the value 2. Fibonacci 4 called Fibonacci 3 plus Fibonacci 2. Now we have to evaluate Fibonacci 2, which is Fibonacci 1, which we know is 1, plus Fibonacci of 0, which we know is 0, and Fibonacci of 2 is 1, which means now we can figure out what Fibonacci 4 is, which is 2 plus 1, or 3. And we are back up to the top of the tree at Fibonacci 5. Fibonacci 5 was Fibonacci 4 plus Fibonacci 3, and now we have to go back down the tree. Fibonacci 3 was Fibonacci 2 plus Fibonacci 1, which we'll get to. Fibonacci 2 is Fibonacci 1, which we know is 1, plus Fibonacci 0, which we know is 0, and Fibonacci 2 is going to be 1. Fibonacci 3 is Fibonacci 2 plus Fibonacci of 1, which we know is 1, and Fibonacci 3 is the value 2. So now we can finally evaluate Fibonacci 5, which is 3 plus 2, which is 5.